Hi, welcome. Coming today from my office, which happens to be my veranda at home, and it's a beautiful day, so I thought I'd come out. I just want to chat with you today of what's possible in online business today. Now, like for example, shooting this video. This is me working. Now, yesterday, Alice and I were at the beginning stage of planning a trip back to Scotland next year. Plus, we're doing a cruise through the Baltic area, which will be a first. And when we reflected back on last year's trip, we missed out on travelling to a few places that we wanted to go due to the lack of a Scottish summer, which is a challenge itself. However, we were lucky to fill in some of Scotland's beautiful mountains, drive along scenic routes, and past amazing lochs and castles. And this made me realise how flexible this business is. By initially just packing our laptop to send our emails, use our mobile phones to shoot videos, and of course to have an internet connection, we realised that that's all you need. In fact, there are some people in the SFM community who literally just live a digital life of travel and use that as their marketing. Now they say like, look, if you want to live this kind of life with this kind of freedom, this is what you can do. For us it's a little bit different. Now we love travelling, sure, and yes, it is one of our passions. However, it's not our only one. Now, as you may know, we have a passion for our dogs, Wee Jock and Lulu, and we've always intended to have an online business around our love of dogs. Now, our intention was to create for ourselves a business where what we have to do for work is to share with others our passion of the breed and do something we really love, which we think is pretty awesome. And that's what we're doing now. However, we had no idea where to start. We never had a clue on how to market the dogs. Sure, we watched others share YouTube videos and personal Facebook pages where they were making money by posting fun and inspirational things about their dogs. But to find an education package all in a one location that could get us online, that's what we needed to get us up and running. And we've never looked back. However, you might not know what it is that you want to do, like in terms of what sort of business that you would want to create. You might just go down a generic pathway until you figure it out. And the generic pathway is great, it's awesome. Now, in fact, the generic pathway is exactly what I'm doing now. I'm filming a video from home, and it's just part of my daily life. Admittedly, I don't do this every day. However, you can just use whatever it is that what your message is to say, look, why not start an online business? And when you're promoting the SFM product, which is a online education system teaching people how to discover their passion and how to start an online business, then this could be your marketing. Like, look at where you are now, this very minute. Would you rather be there or in your favourite place, somewhere like you've longed to be, doing something you love to do? Something like that. Or maybe you already know what your passions are, and within the digital world they could be limitless. Never in my wildest dream did I think I would ever purchase a drone and attempt drone aerial photography. But I have. Well, it's not a passion of mine, but I do know a few people who are making good money on YouTube doing that sort of stuff. Now, the point I'm trying to make is that the digital world allows us to think outside the box, literally so far outside the box in terms of how you can create a business. Now, the limit to it is your imagination. Don't you think I'm not absolutely loving what we've created now? Waking up in the morning, doing something that we absolutely love. Now, if you could do the same, like wake up in the morning and feel excited about the day ahead, what would yours be? Maybe you just love your family and spending time with them and being able to financially provide awesome holidays and have time to be there when your kids are playing football or at school concerts or whatever it is. This could be your message. But when you can go on further and create unique things that only you have to offer, and again you may have no idea what they are, but it's when you start to go down that journey, when you start to walk that path, you see doorways opening, you realise the potential of what's there. The digital world is limitless. Now, if you want this sort of thing for yourself, you've just got to take that first step. Yes, you've got to get it set up, and yes, you've got to get it working, cheese, wouldn't it be worth it really? Speak to you later.